Introducing the fully enclosed 5-axis machining center by Sunshine. With its high-precision components including screws, guides, and bearings, this machine ensures exceptional positioning and repeatability accuracy, resulting in higher part precision and increased yield. Its multi-axis capabilities make it perfect for complex surface machining, making it ideal for industries such as automotive and aerospace. With a robust construction and advanced features, this CNC milling machine guarantees efficient and precise processing. Get the Sunshine advantage for your machining needs.